Waterproof seat covers are protective covers built with a sealed outer layer that stops liquid from ever reaching your seat foam and factory upholstery. Spilled coffee, wet dog, rain, muddy boots, it all beads up on the surface and wipes clean in seconds. But here is what people get wrong. Not every cover labeled water-resistant is truly waterproof. Some only repel light splashes. The real ones seal the seams too, so moisture cannot sneak through the stitching underneath. If you have pets, kids, or a job that gets messy, this is the upgrade that actually protects your resale value. The catch? Many waterproof seat covers trap heat and slide around because they are loosely cut. That is where custom fit matters most. In our testing, seat cover solutions delivered full waterproof protection with a snug, trim-specific fit that stayed put and breathed better than the bargain options. Protect your seats the smart way.